Alright, hello everyone. So we had some big success yesterday. And now we just have to finish up this. And we are pretty much done with the editor itself, probably. I mean, can always find other things, but the Pandora box has been sealed. I mean, how is the analogy with Pandora box anyway? If you open it, the curse never leaves, right? But I hope I never have big trouble with the things I implemented now. Oh, we will see. Anyway, first off, variable hexagons in height for Badlands. How are we going to do that? We have at least one approach, but I'm not sure if I should go that way. We could go have some kind of variable in here, or like Badlands hexagon or something. That would mean that the Badlands itself would also have it, but I mean, whatever, right? And I don't see any other way to save this in a convenient way to not have it in the hexagon itself. Or we would need to make it manually, but I really don't like the idea. Place these myself. I think that should be the way. Place them manually. That's here. I really don't know. So we could place them manually. Could go in here and say some kind of distance to floor override. Ah, no, I should not manually put them. Or okay, yeah, if I do it manually, then it still work. So yesterday we had the idea to have an override. Let's make it that way, I think. What do we call this? Badland override. Here. And if it's not 0, and the Badlands needs to be, if it's greater than 0, if it's a minus or 0, then it should do nothing. How do we get this in there? In the Badlands creation. And we do it here. Then in front of here, I think. So as the hexagon we're looking at right now, it has an override or not. Maybe here and here. This is... if light, then it's true. False. Because 1 is greater than 0. This would be dark side, this would be light side. Right? Else. From here, need to get the thing. Have a function to get? Hexagon, probably not, right? Dark side is -1. Could be like this. Hello, agent. How are you doing? So why was it slow? Ah, you opened it 3 times, I see. Well, are you tired? Maybe. Scene, hello! I guess. But hey, I think you were here 2 days ago, was it that? Where I was extremely sleepy and my code was so shitty. I actually cleaned it up. I mean, it still is very, very big unnecessarily maybe, but now it looks like this instead. You know that big thing I did? Now, forget all of this. These are 3 different passages, but this was the gigantic octopus thing, and it's now this. So I did optimize it now. It's way better. And it works. So instead of having tentacles all over, it's only this now. Up. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, all I have to do is now remove this from the equation here. And this should work. Interesting. Okay, with this, we should have now the special function an override for the Badlands heights. If they are greater, no, if this is 0 or less, then we still do the old function. I mean, it really depends. In my case, there are not many things to check. It was just because I was in delirium, I was not able to concentrate. All I have to do is, like, this part is just making the Badlands, so I have like some hexagons on the field. But if there is not an opposite side, I need to make a Badland. Oh, hello, Kona. Good morning, I guess. Hello, Yami. All the features have move bevels, so as every combination of pieces needed to... Oh, okay. I mean... Even with smooth bevels, somehow you could make it more generalized, I guess, but I don't know the exact thing. So yeah, this is just the Badlands thing. This is only a helper function to get 2 maps into one. And this is actually the wall generation with the 6 direction per hexagon check. So... And inside here, I check one time and a second time to see if in the current Z, if there is an opposite hexagon. The current hexagon, if that has another hexagon on the other side. And with this one, I check the direction if there is a hexagon there, and then so there is not much to check here actually. In my case, that is. And I think should be it. Anyway, Kona, Yummy, hello, hello. How are you guys doing? Did you finish the avatar? Kona? Did you add the sign? I hope this works. I guess I just need to test it. I'm really not sure if I forgot something to add, but let's go. But here, look, everything works. At least it worked. Now let's see if it still works without overrides. Aha. Something broke while programming that. So let's revert this real quick to see if my little other thing also broke. If I do this, it should now... It should work, and if not, I messed up the refactoring there. Yep, it's messed up now. Ah, god damn it. Shouldn't have went for it. So what did break? Light side, dark side. That dark side's offset is -1, +1. Huh. Dark side, light side. Did I just revert everything again? Why would it even break? Hold on, this breaking is the wall creation. Why would that break? Huh. I mean, it does create these. Am I not mapping them correctly? The rest functions. Everything that has a Badlands doesn't work. Maybe I'm just not mapping them correctly. Maybe the code is fine. All array. Some hexagons here. Right side, we should have 1, 2. Only 2. Should have only 2. But there are already 3 hexagons here. Way more. Show me. Oh, look at that. Okay, okay, they are... Now I get it. They are set into the wrong map. I copy-pasted it wrong. Dark side, dark side. This is wrong. Light side. If one... This is false, so it is light side. I mean, okay, we already know that this one is false. or wrong, but this code was not running right now, so something else is broken too. Dark side, light side, light dark, one also wrong. Maybe the maps right now are broken. Are they not empty? They should be empty. Oh, great. Well, I guess it's not the day today. Damn it. Let's keep going. This code, it's still the old one. I know the new one now. Hexagon light. Okay, this is repaired, but it's still wrong. It's like going into the light side more often than it should. But why? It could not do this because of this. So what's going on? How does that happen? Well, in my eyes, code is now correct, but it is still wrong for the ones where Badlands happen. If I delete this, okay, Badlands are empty now. Create again. Are they mixed up? Is dark side now the light side? Huh. Seems like they are getting added to the wrong map, but how? Am I going crazy again? How is this possible? How is this possible? Light side, and this one needs to be 180 degrees. So if this one is false and we look for light side stuff, light side, light. This is upside down. Yes. Light side. I don't understand. How does it happen that the wrong matrix is filled? Am I going in with the wrong thing? Oh, these are upside down. Side. Dark side, light side. The problem? Makes no sense. When did this happen? Very interesting. Huh? Well, now everything's broken. I guess I have to deep dive into this issue. When we look at that, it's even worse. Just creating everything. Man, I shouldn't have started touching it. Was working, man. Okay, why are we now always crashing? What's the deal with this? What changed from yesterday as we now are crashing? I don't see anything here. Today is not the day, folks. Today is a bad day. Try again. It's the morale, man. This again in the wrong. Ah, of course they are wrong, because the created one is in the opposite side. What am I doing? Am I stupid? This is of course wrong. My god. I'm thinking and thinking. Is there anything else I should pay attention to? No, the rest is fine. So this goes in here. And this goes in here. Up. 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 And now it should work, right? If not, then I guess I am very sloppy with my stuff. But here it is, it works now. Great. I don't know what happened, but I guess when I tried to make things more aligned and not go with two ifs, I messed up. It was sloppy. Anyway, let's check the override. So this should still work without any changes, yes. And now I can add an override here. Like if I don't add an override, it has only a thickness of 1. As we can see, like this. But if I go here and say 1, it should do the same thing. I guess. If I say 2, it should make it goes the wrong way. Yeah. See? Maybe this is a 1 then. This is a -1. Okay. Try again. Oh, there we go. If I add 4 here, it should be even bigger. Nice. Which means if I add an override here, it should cut this in whatever length I give, like 2. And the other side should make a 1 deep Badlands. Oh, it doesn't. Why doesn't it? Is this not created before? Is that the problem? So do I need to go manually and add an override to make it happen? Okay, the other side is also wrong now. If we are on the dark side, this needs to be -1 anyway? That makes no sense in my head. What? How does this make sense? What? I guess. I guess I'm just stupid. Alright, so I wished this worked, but it doesn't. Because from the top it creates. But why would the bottom one not know that there is a hexagon here? Because we are not looking at the hexagons that are created. That's the problem. Can I solve this? What I would need to do is do this first, then this, and do this with the mixed hexagon maps, or else it would not work. Should I build it like that? I mean, we could go ahead and do this first, like the old way. And then we can copy these two into a new function. Check overrides Badlands and spawn. Like so. Yes, we do this now. This. This should create it. Now that's the override part. Means don't need anything else, I think. So then this part comes after this, and the override part would need to be here instead. Let's try this. Copy everything, just in case, to the side. Part. And now that we use these back side, right side. Why are they flipped? Okay, so in my paradise world, this now works. It cannot work. Because we forgot this part. That's very important. But no, works, right? Let's give it a try. Is disconnected? Indeed it is. Well, here goes nothing. Well, wanted this to be 0. Like they are again in the wrong maps, maybe. The light side only has 3 Badlands. Right. Correct. That couldn't be an issue. What failed this time then? One couldn't create anything. Oh, I know why. Damn, holy shit, okay, that's unfortunate. Thing is, do this once, and we create Badlands again, then we have to do it again. This is getting very ugly now. Not sure if this is worth it. Well, at least it works. Now we can tell this guy, also an override, but I don't want to. If I delete this override, it should make now a continuous island again. Yes. And if I say 1, should make it here. And 1 here. I can overwrite this one too, say 3. Should make it a little higher. Well, that works. You have an override now. I'm not sure if I actually like the code of it. I'm sure there is optimization potential here, but it is still only a development tool and not a code that will end up in the user's computer, so I can be as inefficient as I want as long as I don't wait 10 minutes to generate stuff. In that case, good enough is good enough. One thing to optimize would be, instead of making the Badlands to save into predefined light and dark maps in the island, they need to add their stuff into the ones I am actually sending them in, which is not that easy. I would need to return it and then set it in. I mean, it is easy, but it is very stupid. Instead, right now we are combining the 2 or the 4 maps into 2, do something, do it again, and then do something. But I mean, whatever. It works. So let's save everything. And one of the to-dos is done, which is do a wall off with variable hexagon heights, make adjustable Badlands heights, and add to hexagon. This is done. Only one thing left, and then our editor is ready, which would mean we will then jump into making more 3D stuff. There are some things I found that need to get some tweakings, but we will see. Let's do the path cliff generation, which should be extremely easy, because whenever we do a cliff, can have it here. We just need to scan whatever hexagon is in the top and bottom, and according to that we have to set a cliff. Do we have them? We do have the coordinates for the top one, which is the current Z. And the opposite one should be the closest Z here on the X and Y here. So we thankfully already have a get hexagon from matrix here. And then we just need the directional map, paths map here. Find the correct thing, which is an append here with, what's the correct way to do this? See? I need the hexagon actually. Here, 1/ whatever, something like that. So we do 2 slashes, and then we add these directions X and Y, and then we can find whatever is in here, which could be a switch. So maybe can make this into a function as in get cliff walls, and then it should be good. Let's make this function get cliff wall. Copy this into it. We definitely need the matrix that actually contains it. We need the directions and these, and then we have a switch here. Can be some things minus S, M, and L, and then we need a return a static mesh. Static mesh cliff path mesh or pizza. No, it is the wall. Now we get 4 of these, and then we say 0, 0. Half 0, 0 S 0, 0 M and 0, 0 L. Why is it called full? Can it be half? 0, 0 full, full, full. Maybe I named them wrong, but it should be half, no? Tiles, vaults, arch. Oh no. I remember. Make dead end transitions, yes, but make half that connects the, okay, whatever, but here, make half cliffs, replacing old full cliffs. God damn it. I forgot to do that. So I guess we need to keep this wrong for now. Goes in here. And X direction and Y direction. Hello, baby. Why didn't you say hello? How dare you? What? Have sweet sweet dreams. Okay. So we could use this now. Directions don't change. We don't know which side it is. We would need to choose it from this thing. Okay, maybe the choosing happens inside here too. Oh, if true, then we have light side. Alts. We have dark side. Like so. Okay, that would take care of that. I need these. This should give us first and the second. I mean, wrong, of course. This. And this needs to be the opposite of this. Then I have to do it for the other side too. Fine is fine. This is the thing. Alright, do we open Blender then? Guess it's time for Blender. I'm so sleepy. Now let's see. Just need to go in here and make them halves. Duplicate this. Here we go. That's it. That's done. Although I'm not sure if... Oh, how do I set this to the middle? just by getting the of this. Say GZ minus this divided by 2. No. 3.18 should be 1.59. Okay, so again, GZ minus 1.59 middle. Okay, we have 1/2, the top one. We also need the bottom one. Okay. E00 half. E00 half path. And top. Bottom half. No. And then GZ 1.59. It's all right. And now we export these. All right. And we're done with this guy, so let's save this, close it. We go here. These. Oh. Okay, now we have to do some things with these. Oop. Okay, first things first, no collision. Okay. And now the wall material, what was it again? Oh, this should be the correct one. Up, bottom, up, and bottom. There we go. Save all. Now just to make sure, the default of this is centered in the middle, right? Yeah, okay. You're good to go. So we go here. Now if it's light side, it means we need a top sided one. 0, 0, half top. This S, half top, and half top L, half bottom, and L. Okay, now we have that. I guess the only thing left is to connect these correctly now. So let's see. This goes here. How do I know This is the light side. I mean, okay, yes. That's... What do we do here? If it's false, we need to... Wait, what does this actually mean? Oh, interesting. This would need a special case. This doesn't happen for now. If success is false, it means we have no neighbor. And if this one is shorter than this, why do we actually do it with this and not just look for these Z's? Because we don't know if it goes up or down. We go from Z and then absolutely. So these stay half. This one is like this. How does this work? Right now, if I do a wall, should make no problems. Yes. Now if I made a path here, oops. Here. And wall it. Ha ha ha! Look at that. Take a medium one. A large one. Yummy, it works! Look at this! Yes! Say it's awesome, monkey. This should never happen. And if I want to allow this, I would need to have a special case where I close this off. But like I said, it would never happen. Oop. Hee. Ah, nice. Let's look at our little special case here, which we said could not happen right now. This is a special case that needs some other things. But hey, now I can create islands as I like it. We can then, if we are here, make our jumping thingy and make Orplings fly around through these things. The only thing is, there are some strange pizza combinations that I want to address, like this one. This is not good. And instead of making this transition, I think this just goes into this. This is the thing I want to make better. Same thing with this guy. This and this. So all transitions should be, actually not all of them. The ones from bigger to smaller seem to be fine. Right? This is fine. So all that is needed is from small to bigger, which means this is also fine. I mean, yeah, these ends are not good and the textures are not good, but geometry is fine. So actually there are not many things to fix. There's the medium to large, small to large, and the small to medium. So there are only 3 pizzas to fix. Can we do this right now? These are, I don't care. These are the transitions. Large to medium is okay. Large to small is okay. Medium to large is a problem. We actually need to follow this until it hits this thing. I guess I need to redo all of that. I really don't want to do this right now. Should I force myself? How would I do this anyway? It would go here. Just make a hard cut. How would I do a transition to it? It's like I need a texture for it. How does this look like? Good morning, Kona! Kona, we finished the editor. You want to see it? I mean, we are now discussing the fix for this. This doesn't look good. This is geometry problem. But the editor is now done. Now look, I can go into a new level. Basic, create, save this one. Delete this. I can just go in here, say start this, and now we can build a level. Like, we have a start area here with a medium large center that goes into a medium path to the north. We do this, and then I go one up. Why doesn't it go up? What's going on? What? Huh? Why doesn't this work? I don't know what happened. Uh-oh. Something go wrong? Ah, okay. So the first generation of the island has a bug in it, apparently. Anyway. Let's say medium to medium north, and then we go north. We say this is a field that has a medium down there. And then a small to here. And then we could say that in the other side we have a small thing. Go straight. And here another one. And then another one here. And we go up again. And then we say there's another field. I need a reset button here that has us a little higher here. Then I press wall up, and it didn't work. What happened here? I generate them too close. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Couldn't happen, of course. Boop boop. Smalls. Could be this. Good. Good. Wait, boop boop. Huh? This way. Now we go one down. Now we do that. Ugh! Like this, please. Now we wall it up. Nice. Now we can walk here. Maybe there is a cave here. We jump to this side. And then we have to walk over here. And then we jump to this side. And then we have like our exit or something. Yeah. Maybe this thing needs to be more interesting or something, but yeah, our editor actually works. Since the editor works, everything that looks shitty is just how to say, just a problem of making the meshes prettier. adding more texture, adding more geometry, adding some objects in. So that is whatever. But the system itself works. So we can now create levels. And I think I will stop here because this thing seems to be a little more troubling. It needs to match this shape coming from a medium. So maybe the idea would be to at a large field or end. A large end, maybe. And then just add a medium path to it. Or something. And then we have this problem here. We would need a new texture for this. We need 3 more textures. Where's my pizza texture here? And we have enough room, so it shouldn't be a problem. We would need 2 more textures for the small one. And 2 more textures for the... 1 more texture for the medium one. And then we should be fine. And I think this is something I will do tomorrow. I mean, there's nothing to save, but be my guest. Let's see at our little to-do list. Make path cliff generator, that's done. Make dead end transitions. Ah, that thing. Do I really need this? I think I still don't need this. Yeah, I will not do this. I will do this. Make half. This is done. This is not relevant. And then we need fix small to medium transition geo. Small to large and medium to large. Replace old full cliffs, make half cliffs. Okay, whatever. So this is now to do. Which will be rather fast, I guess, if I find a good solution. And then we either start with this or make a shorter day again. Anyway, I'm not sure who is still here, but I guess Yami and Kona are here. Thanks for tuning in. Ah, Kona, I asked you before you disappeared. Did you finish your avatar? Oh well. Anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Hey, you're there. Why didn't you answer? Oh well. Bye.